Welcome to Puerto Banús, the jewel of the Costa del Sol. Nestled in Marbella, southern Spain, this luxurious marina is famous for its high-end boutiques, stunning yachts, and vibrant nightlife. Home to just a few thousand residents, Puerto Banús attracts millions of visitors each year, drawn by its Mediterranean charm and glamorous atmosphere. Get ready to explore this iconic destination. Puerto Banús is more than just a marina, it's a symbol of luxury and exclusivity. Built in 1970, this glamorous harbor has become a playground for the rich and famous, attracting celebrities, business tycoons, and even royalty. As you stroll along the waterfront, you'll see rows of spectacular yachts, some belonging to billionaires and international superstars. Over the years, icons like Antonio Banderas, Cristiano Ronaldo, and even members of European royal families have been spotted here, enjoying the Mediterranean lifestyle. But Puerto Banús is not just about the people, the atmosphere here is electric. The marina is lined with upscale restaurants, trendy beach clubs, and lively bars where visitors can sip cocktails while watching the sunset over the sea. By night, the area comes alive with a buzzing nightlife, drawing elite crowds from around the world. And of course, there's the shopping. Puerto Banús is home to some of the most exclusive fashion brands in the world. From Louis Vuitton and Gucci to Versace and Dior, this is a paradise for those who love high-end fashion. The luxury shopping streets, combined with designer jewelers and premium car dealerships, make it clear that this is a place where opulence is celebrated. Whether you're here to admire the yachts, soak in the glamorous atmosphere, or indulge in world-class shopping, Puerto Banús is an unforgettable experience. As we leave the marina, we follow the palm-lined walkway towards the beach, passing stylish cafes and lively terraces buzzing with energy. Soon, we arrive at the iconic Banús Beach sign, a must-visit spot for photos and a gateway to one of the most glamorous beach destinations in Spain. Beyond the sign, the atmosphere shifts from luxury yachting to pure beachside indulgence. The golden sands stretch out before us, met by the gentle waves of the Mediterranean. The beach is lively yet sophisticated, where sun-seekers relax on plush sunbeds while enjoying the stunning coastal views. The calm, clear waters invite swimmers, and jet skis glide effortlessly across the horizon. But Banús Beach is not just about relaxation, it's also a place to see and be seen. Some of the most famous beach clubs in Spain are located here, attracting celebrities, athletes, and influencers from around the world. Whether you're here to unwind, enjoy a lavish beachside lunch, or experience the famous Puerto Banús party scene, Banús Beach delivers the ultimate Mediterranean lifestyle. Puerto Banús is not just a luxurious marina, it's a carefully crafted vision of elegance and exclusivity. But how did this world-famous destination come to life? To understand that, we have to go back to the late 1960s, when a Spanish businessman named José Banús set out to create something truly extraordinary. Originally a developer of large residential projects, Banús had already worked on transforming parts of Marbella into a modern resort town. But when he envisioned Puerto Banús, he wanted to go beyond just another tourist complex. He dreamed of building a glamorous marina that would rival those in Monaco and Saint-Tropez. With the help of renowned architect Nolde Schreck, who had previously worked on Beverly Hills, Banús designed a Mediterranean-style harbor filled with whitewashed buildings, luxurious promenades, and an ambience fit for the international elite. When Puerto Banús was officially inaugurated in 1970, it was a grand affair. The opening event was attended by some of the world's most influential figures, including Prince Rainier and Princess Grace of Monaco, shipping magnate Aristotle Onassis, and Hollywood legend Audrey Hepburn. From that moment on, Puerto Banús became a symbol of prestige, attracting the rich and famous from around the world. Today, Puerto Banús is home to only a few thousand permanent residents, but it welcomes an astonishing 5 million visitors each year. During the summer months, the streets and beaches are packed with tourists looking to experience its unique mix of luxury, entertainment, and stunning Mediterranean scenery. So, what should you know if you're planning to visit? First, be prepared for a world of extravagance. This is a place where Ferraris and Lamborghinis line the streets, and high-end boutiques showcase the latest fashion trends. But that doesn't mean you have to be a millionaire to enjoy Puerto Banús. There are plenty of charming spots where visitors can soak in the atmosphere without breaking the bank. Strolling along the marina, grabbing a coffee at a waterfront cafe, or simply watching the sunset over the Mediterranean are experiences anyone can enjoy. The nightlife here is legendary. From stylish rooftop bars to exclusive nightclubs, Puerto Banús comes alive after dark. If you want to dance the night away, clubs like Pangea and Tibu attract world-class DJs and an international crowd looking to party in style. But if a more relaxed evening is what you're after, a dinner at one of the many fine dining restaurants with sea views offers a more laid-back yet equally luxurious experience. And let's not forget the incredible gastronomy. While the area is known for its high-end dining, you can still find traditional Spanish flavors if you know where to look. Fresh seafood, delicious tapas, and of course, the famous Andalusian gazpacho can all be enjoyed in both casual and upscale settings. Beyond the glamour, Puerto Banús also offers easy access to some of the most beautiful spots on the Costa del Sol. Just a short drive away, you'll find the charming old town of Marbella, with its narrow cobblestone streets and historic plazas. The nearby Sierra Blanca Mountains provide breathtaking hiking opportunities, offering a different side of the region beyond its luxurious reputation. Whether you're here to experience the high life, explore the beautiful surroundings, or simply relax by the sea, Puerto Banús has something to offer every traveler. And with its fascinating history, vibrant atmosphere, and endless attractions, it's no wonder why this destination continues to captivate visitors year after year. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about the content, visit our website and read our article on the subject to get more information. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss when we publish something new. Here are suggestions for a video and playlist that we think would be interesting for you. Take care. See you in another video.